Now, let's focus on responsible AI, which is a critical domain making up 7% of the exam. This area emphasizes the ethical use of AI technologies and how to effectively mitigate associated risks. Understanding responsible AI means recognizing the importance of fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI applications. It's about ensuring that AI systems are designed and deployed in ways that respect user privacy, avoid bias, and promote trust. This domain will help you grasp how to implement AI responsibly, align with ethical guidelines, and handle potential challenges. Given its significance in the GitHub Copilot certification, particularly in GH 300, mastering these concepts is essential. When we talk about responsible AI, we're referring to the careful approach of creating and using AI systems that are safe, trustworthy, and ethically aligned. The goal is to ensure that AI serves people positively without causing harm. There are key principles that guide this practice. First is fairness. AI should treat everyone equally, no matter their race, gender, or background. This means avoiding bias and discrimination in AI behavior. Next, reliability and safety are crucial. AI must work consistently and securely, even in unusual or unexpected situations, ensuring it doesn't fail or cause harm. Privacy and security are also fundamental. Protecting user data is essential, and AI systems must not expose sensitive information. Inclusiveness is about making AI accessible and empowering for all people, ensuring no group feels excluded or left behind. Transparency means that users should be able to understand how AI reaches its decisions. This explainability builds trust and allows users to see why certain outcomes occur. Finally, accountability emphasizes that developers and organizations behind AI are responsible for how the AI behaves and the results it produces. They must take ownership and address any issues that arise. These principles collectively ensure AI development is ethical, safe, and beneficial to everyone. When working with generative AI, it's crucial to understand the risks and limitations involved. One major concern is bias in the training data, which can lead to biased or unfair outputs. Another significant risk is the generation of insecure or vulnerable code, which could introduce security issues into our projects. AI models can also produce hallucinations, meaning they generate information that sounds plausible but is actually false, which can be misleading. Privacy leakage is another critical issue. Sensitive data could inadvertently be exposed through AI-generated content. Over-reliance on AI without proper validation is dangerous because the technology isn't infallible. Additionally, copyright or intellectual property infringement might occur if the AI's suggestions are based on protected material. The lack of transparency in how AI makes decisions can make it difficult to trust or verify its outputs. And lastly, security vulnerabilities can be introduced in the generated code, which requires careful scrutiny. To effectively mitigate these risks, always review and validate AI-generated code thoroughly. Testing with edge cases and using security tools helps catch potential problems early. Human oversight is essential at every stage, ensuring that critical decisions aren't left solely to the AI. It's also wise to exclude sensitive files from AI training or analysis. Keeping humans in the loop maintains accountability, and documenting AI usage helps with tracking and auditing. Enabling duplication detection filters prevents repeated code suggestions, and regular audits of AI outputs help maintain quality and security over time. By combining these strategies, we can harness the power of generative AI while minimizing its risks. When we talk about ethical AI and potential harms, it's important to recognize several key challenges that can arise with tools like GitHub Copilot. First, bias is a major concern. Since AI models learn from existing data, they can inherit and even amplify biases present in that data. This might lead to discriminatory code suggestions or skewed analysis that unfairly favors certain groups or practices. Next, security is critical. Automatically generated code may include vulnerabilities such as SQL injection risks or other insecure patterns if it's not carefully reviewed by developers. We can't assume the AI is always producing safe or robust code. Fairness is another important factor. These models may perform better for certain programming languages or frameworks, which can create inequalities and limit accessibility for developers working in less supported environments. Privacy also needs attention. If prompts include sensitive or confidential information, there's a risk that this data could be exposed unintentionally through the AI's responses. Transparency is often limited. Developers might not fully understand why Copilot suggests certain pieces of code, which can make the tool's behavior feel like a black box and complicate trust and accountability. Finally, misinformation is a real risk. The AI might confidently provide incorrect code or documentation, potentially misleading developers and causing errors down the line. Being aware of these ethical considerations helps us use AI tools like Copilot responsibly and ensures we mitigate potential harms while maximizing their benefit.